Don't nobody else make me feel like
no broke boys, no new friends.
Don't nobody else make me feel like
No broke boys, no new friends.
Don't nobody else make me feel like
Broke boys, no new friends.
So don't nobody else make me feel like
Stop pressure, give me my
yeah.
10.
Don't nobody else make me feel like
The cottages were on the right. Did you see that? You can go down there, but that's where all the horse stables are. So cute. You have to keep driving through to get to the car park.
Now you got in front of me.
Fiona is off-roading as we made it. Woohoo! Obsessed with the steak right now. Great selection. This looks amazing.
Gumnut patisserie
And you reckon it's one of the best pastry
in the Southern Highlands.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Here we go, team. Ooh. Look at them babies.
She's just there. He likes me.
Wow, you are in Australia.
And I got a friend.
I know. All right. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Manly. You think we're in the right spot?
yeah.
All right, where do you see them?
Well, I think we're in the right spot.
Ah, they're in the wrong spot.
Huh?
They're in the wrong spot.
Yeah.
Got it. This is pretty. Aww, butter boy. Ah! They do look good. Oh, Cookie Monster. First time. Good evening, people. You might be wondering, what the heck? What are you doing vlogging in the evening? It's always good morning. I know, it is always good morning, but right now it's good evening because it says Fiji 5 a.m. Yeah, we're going to Fiji 5 a.m. So I'm gonna do that one. And then I'm also gonna set a backup alarm on my iPad because I'm just afraid that my phone is gonna glitch out. So let me do that real quick. We got our backup 5:30 locked and loaded. We've got our normal one locked and loaded at 5. So we should be awake. If not, it's just not meant to be that I leave. But yeah, I've got right there hanging is what I'm gonna wear tomorrow to the airport. That's my cute little carry-on. It's gonna be a little adventure. If you're wondering how long has Fiji kind of just been on the radar, as of this morning at 8:22 in the morning is when I found out that I was going to Fiji this weekend. So there's a whole story to that. We'll talk about later, but at this point, let's just get to bed because right now it's about to be 10 p.m. and I gotta be up early. Good morning, good morning. It is 5:12. We're going to Fiji. All right, what up, team? We are ordering our Uber. Let's hope an Uber is available. Not a reject to say right before I'm about to order this. Airport. Oh, 3 minutes. Just confirming my ride. Alright, update. I'm getting picked up in 2 minutes. It is 5:30 right now, for context. Alright, we made it to the airport, and now I gotta figure out where Qantas is. Oh, C. C is definitely over there. I was going the wrong way. Good job, Bri. Getting some extra steps in. Wow. Just, oh, am I awake right now? I don't know. Just went through security. But that's our boarding pass. Only printed it just so I can do it for the vlog. Alright, where am I going? Gate 55. Alright, gate 55 over here. Hermes. Okay, but like, what is that? Alright, y'all, this is what we're working with. We got the single shot of espresso. We got my cute little eggs. Avocado toast with some kale on top. So, quick little story time on why is Bri going to Fiji for 24 hours. So yesterday, also my hair's looking crazy. I'm gonna fix this real quick. I gotta text Matt. It's his birthday. Happy birthday, Matthew. Okay, so quick story time on why is Bri going to Fiji for 24 hours. That's a little random. So I woke up yesterday, February 7th, to my company basically blowing my phone up, being like, you gotta leave the country. And my current work visa requires me to leave the country every 90 days. Currently, these eggs aren't it. We'll move past that. But apparently, my company, which I'm thankful for, is paying for it. But they're like, you need to leave today. This was yesterday, Saturday morning at 8:22. I woke up to this text and I was like, oh my goodness. I can't leave the country today. Too short notice. They were like, we found you a flight at 2 p.m. I was like, okay. First off, again, 8:22 in the morning. Can't hop on a flight at 2 p.m. So sorry. Long story short, I already had an appointment that I couldn't move, and I asked my boss. He ended up allowing me to leave Sunday today, early morning flight at 8:30, and then I come back tomorrow at 12:30. So I'm only gone for 24 hours, but I was just like, oh my gosh, the amount of stress and anxiety I felt yesterday thinking that I was gonna have to hop on a plane in 4 hours, less than 4 hours, was crazy. I lost it yesterday. I woke up today, not even gonna lie to you. My recovery is tragic. Red. The only time that I ever wake up in the red, 28% recovered, is when I have had a few beverages the night prior. Didn't drink last night. So that should tell you where my head's at right now with this whole situation. But it felt good because everything happens for a reason, and we're blessed. We're blessed. We're hopping on a flight. We're going to Fiji. We're fine. Someone tell that to my nervous system, but we're fine. So yeah, that's why it's a quick flight. Quick 4-hour flight is quick here compared to the States. Well, I guess if I'm traveling state to state, it's actually quick. But yeah, going international, obviously, a little further. And yeah, guys, we're along for the ride. Thank you for coming with me. And I'm gonna finish this so you don't see me eating the whole time and talking with my mouth open as I eat. Or chewing with my mouth open as I eat and talk. But yeah, in a nutshell, that's what's happened since literally like 26 hours ago. All right, let's log into the airport internet. Beautiful. Cool. All right, I'm about to do 2 to 12 hours of work here before the flight, and make some progress on the week, shall we? we're gonna do a nice little walkthrough of the pad. Here we go. So yeah, we got bunk beds first off. Yep, I'm top bunk, and someone maybe might be in the bottom bunk, but I'm pretty sure I'm top. She said so. I don't want to be up top because I feel like I'm gonna roll off. But here we are, and this is super cute. Microwave, and then we've got a bathroom. We got the toilet. We got the Bri. Looks so cute. This is like a whole, like I wish I had a crew coming with me. But yeah, this is a vibe. This is a total vibe for sure. If you had asked me 2 days ago what I would be doing with my Sunday, would not have said you know, being in Fiji, but here we are. So I feel like I'm in camp again because I'm top bunk. I'm gonna fall off this. There's no way I'm sleeping up here. No chance. No chance. Deadass can see straight through other people because there's like no wall. Guys, why did I book this?
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark.